Imagine entering a debate with total confidence, never feeling lost in your argument. That's the power of PAEL, a framework that transforms how you build and understand debate. PAEL means point, analysis, evidence, link, a dynamic process for structuring arguments logically, persuasively, and quickly. Whether you support a topic or must argue against it, PAEL gives you clarity and confidence. To analyze an issue from both sides, you need balanced, symmetrical thinking. Every debate revolves around a core clash, the central disagreement. Examples include, should governments ban fast fashion? Is AI good for education? Should homework be removed from schools? For each clash, break it into side A and side B. State why each side should win or is reasonable. Apply PAEL to each side. Start with your point, a clear sentence stating your argument. Move to analysis. Explain why your point is logically true. Use mechanisms, reasoning, or principles. Bring in evidence, examples, data, expert consensus, analogies, or real-world references. Finally, link. Explain why your argument matters and how it answers the debate framing. Facing the weaker side? Give the best possible version of that argument, even if you disagree. Use principle-based reasoning, fairness, rights, consistency, ethics, caution, or burdens of proof. Avoid self-sabotage. Analyze every side as if you're defending it in a real debate round. For strong PAEL analysis, keep both sides symmetrical, equally clear points, and solid reasoning. Make your analysis step by step. Ask, how does X lead to Y? What is the mechanism? Why does this change matter? Use because, therefore, which leads to, and thus, to keep your logic tight. Evidence isn't always statistics. Logic, hypothetical cases, historical parallels, or expert opinions can be powerful. In debate, analysis is greater than evidence. Evidence supports. Analysis wins. Always link your arguments back to the debate framing. Judges ask, how does this argument help decide the winner? End with, this matters because, or this directly proves our side should win because. Finding evidence quickly is crucial. Look for credibility, relevance, and usability. News sources, reports, and, even when nothing is available, you can still use human behavior patterns, economic logic, historical patterns, expert-like reasoning, risk analysis for supporting your points. Case studies, real or hypothetical, strongly support your arguments. You can use similar policy in another country, past event with similar structure, company-level or school-level cases. Let's see PAE in action with real debate examples. Debate. Should we ban fast fashion? Side A says, fast fashion should be banned because it causes severe environmental damage. Analysis. Mass production causes huge waste and pollution. Consumers discard clothes quickly, filling landfills. Evidence. Countries with large textile industries report high water use and chemical waste from dyeing. Link. Environmental sustainability is a core policy priority, justifying the ban. Side B, the unfavored side, argues, fast fashion should not be banned because it provides affordable clothing to low-income communities. Analysis. A ban raises clothing prices, creating unfair pressure on low-income families who need affordable options. Evidence. Low-income households spend a larger share of income on essentials, so price hikes hurt them most. Link. Hurting the most vulnerable violates fairness. Therefore, an outright ban is not justified. Another example, should AI be allowed in classrooms? Pro AI says, AI improves learning efficiency. Analysis. AI personalizes learning by targeting student weaknesses and offering practice. Evidence. Adaptive software is widely used to improve scores in schools. Link. If education aims for better outcomes, AI is a valuable tool. The con AI side argues, AI reduces student thinking skills. Analysis. Over-reliance on AI makes students less capable of solving unfamiliar problems independently. Evidence. Teachers report students depending on digital tools have more trouble with independent work. Link. School is for building independent thinkers, so unchecked AI risks this goal. No side should ever be left weak. With PAEL, even thin evidence can be supported with principle, fairness, and logic. As you move forward, don't be intimidated by tough arguments. PAE empowers you to win debates with confidence. So, next time you face a debate, break down the clash, build both sides, and let PAEL guide your logic from start to finish. With PAU, you have the toolkit to not just participate, but excel in the art of debate.